Hey, I'm Joe and I have this delicious recipe of omelette that I really want to share with you. For this you need 1 egg, 50 grams of homemade sweet cheese and some dill. I'll start by cutting the dill. I'll mix the egg with the dill and I'll add the homemade sweet cheese. You can add as many eggs as you want, but as kids don't usually eat that much, I just went for small quantities this time. After you mix everything, you put it in this dish. And you put it in the oven. You leave it in the oven at 180 degrees for about 30 minutes. The omelette is ready, so let's take it out of the oven. Yummy, it looks delicious. And trust me, it doesn't just look, it is delicious. Subscribe for more videos to my channel and keep in touch. Bye!